Welcome to the Kingdom Wayfinder, and today we have some pretty interesting Kingdom Hearts 3 news to share with you guys. So today, yesterday, if you've been seeing, or obviously if you have Twitter, then you've obviously seen the recent news that came out. The secret, I guess you could say it was a secret. The secret is out. Some Kingdom Hearts YouTubers will be among the first to be playing Kingdom Hearts 3. Yes, that is right. And who are these people? Yes, you've guessed it. It is the Key Keepers, HMK, Skyward Wing, and the Gamers Joint, aka Cynical. Now, we have no words on Solemn 1 if he is going to be among the first as well. Hopefully he is to complete the Key Keepers. That would be hype. But basically, all three of them came on Twitter and officially announced that they will be among the first to play Kingdom Hearts 3. There was no much more further details on the matter, so please do not go out and pester them and whatnot, as they are under NDA of what will be said, or it's rather that they're under NDA of what they can't, if there's more they can't say, or if that's all they know is that, hey, they're going to be playing Kingdom Hearts 3 and whatnot, that's all they know. But basically, with the whole situation, this is really good. Now, before I get into why this is really good, I'm just going to go ahead and congratulate these three for getting here. Honestly, they deserved it, and this is amazing. They're going to be among the first to play Kingdom Hearts 3. That's really amazing. So, and when they say among the first, obviously, I think they mean before E3, so maybe at the Kingdom Hearts Union Cross fan event, we might get something. Who knows? That's right around the corner. We are in the month of April, and there was that leak about a new trailer in the month of April. They just didn't say whether, or the 4chan leak didn't say whether it was going to be at Union Cross fan event or not, but we'll have to see whether that's real or fake. So remember, take that with a grain of salt, but at the same time, keep your eyes open for that event regardless, because something might go down that, as in terms of Kingdom Hearts 3. So, with that being said, Square Enix has allowed them to come out and say this, that yes, this is a thing, they are going to be playing Kingdom Hearts 3, early and whatnot. Now, another thing that we can interpret this as is that they're going to get a review copy, and stuff like that. If that is the case, then that's also really, really hype. But if they're going to be going behind closed doors and maybe even get exclusive footage, that would also be really cool. But we don't really know much on the matter of what's going on. All we know really is that, yes, they will be among the first. So, congrats to them for, getting this far with their YouTube channels and everything. They've come a long way, and after all this hard work that they've done and continue to do hard work, this is a great reward. This is definitely a great reward for them, honestly. So now let's get into why this is a good thing. This is a good thing because this is just more clarification that Kingdom Hearts 3's development is almost done. It's almost completed. And I say this because even though we already had confirmation from Nomura that the game is pretty much almost done for the most part, it's just that with the fact of the matter is that, now people are going to be getting hands-on footage with this game. We're no longer going to be getting just trailers and everything. We're going to be getting B-roll footage. We're going to be getting hands-on footage. That's just so hype because who knows what we will be seeing. Like, we could be seeing a lot more Keyblade transformations, a lot more in-depth looks on these worlds, and just so much, it's just really hype. It's just really, really hype. That we have this news to talk about. So, let me know, obviously this is a quite short video, which I do apologize for, but there isn't really much to go off of, just with the fact that the matter that, yes, they are going to be playing Kingdom Hearts 3. They will be among the first to play Kingdom Hearts 3. So, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this news. Are you happy for them? Are you excited for them? Are you, are you surprised? I wouldn't say I was surprised. I kind of expected this to happen. I'm like, come on. Like, it was a matter of time before Square Enix would fully give them that nice press treatment, as I call it. And I'm like, obviously, like, you know, the press getting exclusive stuff. Now they're gonna get exclusive stuff. It was a matter of time, and I'm happy that it's happened. And that's it. And let me know in the comments section below what you think of this really, really cool news. And hopefully, in the next couple of weeks at the Kingdom Hearts Union Cross fan event, which I believe is on the 15th. Yes, the 15th. Hopefully we'll get more news. So that's it for this video, and I will see you all next time.